but the rookie J.J. Hoover. The closer, once he was sent from the major league club back to the minor leagues in 30 outings with the Louisville Bats. A 4-0 record, a 1.22 ERA, 13 saves.
And the Reds did a fine scouting job with their pro scouts.
Boy, he
got a guy like J.J. Hoover.
Wore out Sanchez on that fastball. That's 94. Softly into the middle of Roland. The magic number is 8 for the Reds in the National League Central.
Nice.
J.J. Hoover, his first major league save. And the Reds sweep the Pirates as the Reds go to 30 games over 500.